Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca espresso machine. It comes to us with dirty boilers. So when I test the machine, also I found these both valves leaking. This is the vacuum release valve and this is the boiler safety valve. And the machine needs a tune-up definitely. So I did a tune-up. I deep cleaned the group head and replaced this diffuser, the shower screen, the old one, and the group head gasket. And this is not good to use even if it's new and not old, so I don't recommend to use it for now. I recommend a new one, or just like not use it at all. It's fine. It's like, and I did flush both boilers, especially the steam boiler. I flush it multiple times and I deep clean it. I make it really shiny from inside until I get this result. So you can see how the hot water coming out of it's crystal. So and even the steam one with easy cleaning on this film. So let's go ahead also and test it, make espresso shot on it. Yeah, this is not going. I do wanna force it to make it 90 because it's a new nice silicone gasket. There you go. It's not the best round or best beans ever, but it's good beans for testing. I just want to show that the machine pulling a good shot of espresso. I didn't change the calibration of the heat. I found it 204, something like that. I didn't change it. I said like maybe the customer likes it this way. There you go. It's really nice shot with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. So the machine works perfect and all the functions are okay. Thank you for watching.